a major medical policy where you have one policy that covers everything. Now, we're going to talk about major medical in a moment, but first we need to talk about some basic medical expense policies. I'm going to talk about two policies here. Think of these policies as like a supplemental policy, like an AFLAC type policy, something that you would have in conjunction with a major medical policy. By itself, not really going to do you a whole lot of good, but in conjunction with major medical, it could be very useful. So once again, there's going to be two of them that we will talk about. Let me talk about some of the characteristics real quick, though, that you're going to need to know on this basic medical insurance policies. First, these policies provide what's known as first dollar coverage. This term, first dollar coverage, you will need to know for your test. All it means is there's no deductible. They start paying from day one. So first dollar coverage means no deductible. Now, all of these policies, since they are limited policies, limited benefit policies, they have limited protection. So most of the time, they have very low dollar limits. Once again, they're not designed to last very long. By themselves, not going to do you a whole lot of good. So now let's look at each one of the policies that I want to talk about. First is a basic hospital expense policy. Another name for that is a hospital indemnity policy. The word indemnity or indemnify means to make whole again. When you purchase a or business associates. A conditional license. A conditional license could be issued by the commissioner without having to wait for the results of your criminal history check. If nothing's found in your background, the temporary license would become permanent. License maintenance and duration. Your license must be renewed every 2 years, so you don't have to take the test again. All you need to do is pay the state the required fee. In Texas, that's $50, and also complete your continuing education. In Texas, the continuing education requirement is 30 hours of CE every 2 years. At least 2 of those hours must cover ethics,